Hi, Beanbeauties, Dee Bean here. How are you doing today? Today is the last day of miscellaneousmas. Yay! We made it, day 12 of miscellaneousmas. And it is a Tory Burch. I'm not sure if I'm going to put it on the thumbnail or not. I probably will. Face it, I probably will. But if you didn't see it by any chance or you forgot, then come on back and we'll check it out together. Alrighty, Beanbeauti, this is the last item for miscellaneousmas. And yes, out of the 2 big boxes I've been working on, this is the last one of that. But don't worry. Like I said, I've been buying since we started this December. I know, I can't help it. Hadrian has some great stuff at some great prices. So I have a whole nother big box. So that'll be for January. That'll be for January's Dee. We won't worry about that right now. So let's open this up and see what it is. Oh my gosh, look at this. Ta-da! Isn't this gorgeous? Winne wouldn't sell me hers, so I saw this, and when Hadrian showed it, I grabbed it. I snatched it up so fast, it was not even funny. I was so excited about it. It is so soft. I have been looking at this ever since I saw Winnie's channel. She keeps one similar to this. I don't know if this is like the exact same bag that she has or not, but it's similar to this. The color reminds me of that. I will have to go check out one of her videos and look in the back and see. But oh my gosh, she will not sell it because she says there's so many people that want it, so it stays. It's not one of the bags that she ever puts up. But this is like super soft. So here's the front, here's the side, here's the back, here's the other side, here's the bottom, here's the top view. It has the Tory Burch, the 2 T's here. You turn, look at that, nice and easy, and you open it up. And here is what it looks on the inside. It's got the 3 compartments. Here is the crossbody strap. He has it packed. Here is the chain strap that comes with it. Oh, the inside is so pretty. So in this compartment here, it's just empty. The back compartment as well as just one open cavern. And here we have a back zipper here, and then here we have 2 slots that they're bigger than a card case, but not big enough for a cell phone. Where is my cell phone? Oh, it's right here. Yeah, not big enough for a cell phone. But there's this pouch in the back. I was hoping that, oh yeah, I don't know. If it was just sitting next to me, I might be able to, I don't know if I trust that when I was walking, but if it was just sitting next to me in the car, if I was driving or anything, I would, set it there so it's easy for me to get it in and out. But if I'm walking with it, no, it's going to go in the inside of my bag. So it will probably most likely go in this front pocket or the back pocket. For some reason, that's where it ends up getting easier, and I save the inside pocket for my stuff. But here, right here, it still has the plastic covering on it. It is such a beautiful bag. It has a little bit of corner wear right there, but other than that, well, on all 4 corners, yeah, all 4 corners have a little bit of wear, but other than that, it's like a wonderful condition. Let's see how the rest of these chains go on. Is there, okay, there is an inside hook. Oh yeah, good. The hooks are here on the side, on the inside. So I don't remember, it's been a while. During editing, if I can find when I ordered it, I will put it up on the screen. Very pretty. So here is the hardware on there. Actually, it's pretty substantial. It's not, it's not super heavy. Then it has these pegs. So that's a little bit hard for me to maneuver. But for right now, I'm going to see where it lands without me adjusting it. because sometimes, most of the time, Hadrian knows like how long I like my stuff, so he will set it to the right setting for me. And he did. Yeah, perfect. Look. Yeah. Okay, that's perfect. Yeah, okay. That'll work. My hair. This chain, I don't remember, where does the chain go? Is it lay across the front? I don't know. It's been a while. Do y'all know out there? Okay, so this is the chain right here. So, wait a minute. Did he give me a chain extender? Hadrian, is this a gift? Did you give me a chain extender? Did I buy it? Did it come with it? Oh, no. I have so many questions. Oh, no. Would that go? Does that go? No. Go on the back? No. I don't think it matches very, I mean, it matches almost perfect. I don't know, Hadrian, are you watching? Are you watching? I don't, maybe this is a chain extender. Maybe he either gave it to me or I bought it. I don't know. I have to go and look at the invoice, which who knows where the invoice is. I don't care. I just have this. I don't care. I have my own. I had to hunt my own down. This is so cute. I love this. This is going to be perfect. So I have another, oh, hashtag pink for DJ King. I will put that on here and then I can show her next October. I'll put the information up. This might be Napa leather because I know I have a card case from Tory Burch and her leather like this is Napa leather and it's super soft just like mine. I actually have 2 card cases. So I'll double check and put up on the screen if it's not. But I love how the pattern is here. Love the front, love the back. I just love it. Thank you, Hadrian. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I got my own Winne. I'm so silly. All right, Beanbeautis. Our last 2 Build-A-Bears for Advent calendars next. Let's head over and check it out. Alrighty, so we kind of got back on track by opening the last 2. I'm not sure what happened, but we have the last 2 bears to open up today. So here is this little bear. He is just a brown little bear. I'm going to open up both of the bears at the same time. And then here is a little bear snowman. Oh my gosh, so cute. So let's get the clothes for them. So 21. So 22 would be for Mr. Bear. It's his. Oh, are they pajamas? It's like a little jumper. 23. I forgot to look to see what we're building. Oh, it's a sleeper. So yeah, they're pajamas. And that's an eye to cover his eyes. And here is his little candy cane that he will have. Then 22, 23, 24. Oh, so then this was day 25. So he has no clothes. That's what the grandkids were telling me. Since he's a snowman, he has his own items and he, you know, he has his own stuff. So he didn't need any clothes. Although they should have given him a little hat. They should have given him a pilon, you know, like a Mexican dozen that give you 13 items. So he really could have used one more item. He needs a hat or something. I might have to find something to put on there. Okay, let me get Mr. Bear dressed and then I'll be right back. Okay. The last 2 missteps for Build-A-Bear. All the other ones are great, but maybe the little hands, maybe, oh, well, I do remember the kids had a little bit of trouble putting this on. Since it's a one piece and it's such a small item, it's really hard because the neck hole was really hard. So you had to stuff him into the neck hole and then in the legs. It was a long ordeal. This was probably like, I don't know, 20 minutes later. I don't know. So here's Mr. Bear. And then misstep, he didn't have at least a hat, poor thing. He has his little peppermints there. Then we have rabbits. We have the pink little bear. Oh, that's 4. And, whoops. We have Mr. Frog. That's 5. Why do I do that? And we have the cow. The bear cow. So 4 here, 2 here, we have 6 of them all together. Very well worth it. I paid $35.99 or something like that, but I got it on sale. I might have got it on sale. That it was 20 to 25 calendar, but it might have been like on sale for the Thanksgiving sale or something. I don't know. But so I don't know what the regular price is when they first released them. But I'm very happy. Definitely was requested for another one for next year for the grandkids. So you may or may not see it again on my channel, but they will definitely be getting that. Excited. Okay. My friends and I want to say thank you for coming by for Miscellaneousmas. Thank you so much. Let me know if we closed out with the great bag. Yes. Let me know how you liked the bag. Let me know how you like the series. And if you can remember, let me know what your favorite miscellaneous unboxing was. We had things from I don't know what we had. We had all kinds of stuff. We had clutches and clutches, handbags. We had my family. We had all the things. So let me know down in the comment box what your favorite miscellaneous unboxing was. Thank you so much, Beanbeautis, for coming by. I hope to see you in the rest of the new year. I might take a little bit of a break. I don't know. We'll see. Love y'all. Bye-bye.